Hello and welcome. This is Khushbu Batta and today we will learn how you can automatically WhatsApp your firm's brochure when a new lead is generated on Facebook. Let's say you run a spice business and your Facebook page received a new lead. Now you want to send your firm's brochure to this potential customer via WhatsApp. So how will you do it? First, you can go to Facebook, copy all the details, come back, compose a message, attach your brochure's link and send it to every single user via WhatsApp. However, this can be a repetitive process. So how about you try our Pabbly Smart way? Here we will integrate Facebook with WhatsApp, all using Pabbly Connect. So whenever a new lead is generated on Facebook, a WhatsApp message along with your firm's brochure will automatically be sent to them. And the best part is, this entire automation process is so simple that it can be even done by a person of non-technical knowledge. Come to my screen to see how we do it. To use Facebook lead ads and WhatsApp for marketing of your spice business, let us first go to Pabbly's website. On the top right, you will see two options, sign up free and sign in. Since I already have an account, I will just sign in. Now go to Pabbly Connect. On the top right, you will see a Create Workflow button. It will ask you to name the workflow. I will just write Facebook leads to WhatsApp, create. Alright, it will show you two windows here, trigger and action. Trigger is basically when this happens, action says do this. Now let us select Facebook lead ads as our trigger application. For trigger, we will select new lead instant. Why? Because we want every time a new lead is generated on your Facebook page, a WhatsApp message should be sent to them instantly. Let us connect the two. Add new connection. Connect with Facebook lead ads. And it says authorization successful. Now you will have to select your page here. So I have created my business page, AJ Spices on Facebook. You can see this. So we will select this page here, AJ Spices. And it will show you this spice brochure form automatically like I've created here. You can see this spice brochure form. So this was the only form that I had created for AJ Spices, as you can see here. In case you have selected multiple forms for this page, you can select from the drop down. Alright, moving on. Let us just save and send test request. Okay, it says waiting for webhook response. Now let us go and create a dummy lead. Now make sure you delete the previous lead before generating a new lead by using delete lead option. Alright, I've selected my page here. You can select your page and this is the form here. Let us just select preview. So like you can see, I filled in a dummy form here. Now let us just submit this. Okay. And now let us go to Pabbly's page and to see if it has actually received our response. Yes, you can see it here. The mail address, the full name, dummy testing and the contact number. So now let us go to the action window and select WhatsApp Cloud API. For that action event, we will select Send Template Message, connect the two, add new connection, and it will ask you for a few keys here. For these details, let us go to Developers page. On the left hand side, you will see a WhatsApp drop down. Click on Getting Started. Straight on the top, you will see Temporary Access Token. Copy this. Come back to Pabbly's page and paste it here. Now it will ask you for the phone number ID. Again to developers page. Here you can see phone number ID. Copy this. Again paste it. Now it says WhatsApp business account ID. Just next to phone number ID you will see the WhatsApp business account ID. Copy and on the Pabbly's page paste and save. Okay, it says connected. Now let us select the template name. Ours is Send Brochure Final. So this is the template that I created, the template message that would be sent to the users basically. Now let us quickly take a look what a template message looks like. Here it is. You can see here is the template message. Hello, and the user's name will come here. Thank you for showing our interest in. The business name would come here. Like you can see the brackets here. We will fill this field later. Let's go back to Pabbly's page and map in our details. Recipient mobile number. Okay, before we map this, let us read this. Enter the recipient mobile number with country code without plus sign. Okay, so let us map. And here you will see the phone number, but it has a plus sign. So what will we do it? So now let us quickly remove this plus sign. Just add on a step here. Click on the plus button and let us select text formatter. Action event would be split text. Connect the two. Now text to split. So we have to select the text that we would want change in. So this is the one, the phone number. We have to remove plus from here and therefore we will use plus sign as the separator. Scroll down. We will select last. Why? Because we want the entire text after plus sign. Therefore last. Save and send test request. And you can see the plus is successfully removed. Now we can use this phone number in our next step. Again, okay, so since we have added this step in between, let us reconnect this. Select existing connection, yes, and save. All right. Now, let us map in the mobile number from recipient's mobile number from text formatter. This is the one, and it does not have a plus sign like you can see. Now we will have to paste in the URL of the PDF document that we want to attach, that we want to send to the user. Since we want to attach this brochure, so we will just paste this link from here, the brochure's PDF link from here. Yeah. And now it says for the document file name, that is the title for the brochure, we will simply write brochure. Okay. Now scroll down. It needs body field 1. Example, it is given a name here. Even in our template message, you can see hello and the bracket 1. We will have to write the user's name here. So let us map it. Scroll down and you will see full name dummy testing. Since this is just for testing purpose. Now for body field 2, it is given an example Pabbly Connect here. Let us go to the template and see what exactly it is. Thank you for showing your interest in. The second bracket that you can see, we basically have to fill our business name here. So we will write AJ Spices and yes. Now for the body field 3, let us go back and check the template again. For more details, you can visit our website. So basically you have to give your website's link here. So let us just paste our website link here. Okay, we have filled in the details. Let us just save and send test request. It says response received. Now let us go to the user's WhatsApp account and see if they have actually received our message. Here it is. You can see the brochure and the entire text. Hello, dummy testing. That is the user's name. Thank you for showing your interest in AJ Spices. I hope this video was useful for you. For more such videos, you can subscribe to our channel on YouTube.